what we do here is go back.
Welcome back to the vlog, everybody. So, update on the injuries. Well, kind of, sort of injuries. I sliced my hand open at work the other day, so I got some stitches, and I kind of took a 3-day off time this week and bunched all my workouts today, which is Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So we are going to do squat, bench, and deadlift today. I'm gonna hope that my hand doesn't open up, the stitches don't break, but other than that, the bicep is still bothering me, so we're gonna see how that goes. And so I'm hoping to hit some PRs today, but bench is the main concern. Everything else I should be okay on, but we're on the way there right now. I'll see you there. Welcome back, guys. As you can see, not the greatest day. Seems to be a reoccurring issue. Something's always wrong. However, I did manage a massive PR on squat. 465 for 4, pretty easily. The last rep, the bar started sliding off my back because I was sweaty, but not bad at all. Depth, some people out there leave the depth question on the table. We're trying not to do that here, but I read the workout wrong. I wasn't supposed to deadlift after bench, because I was supposed to do squat, bench, deadlift. I tried to bench with my hurt bicep, and I got up to 225. The weight's easy, it's just the stinging sensation in the deep tissue muscle of my bicep is bothering me. So I called it a day on that, and because I got the stitches in my arm, I worked up to 475 for a double on deadlift, which I wasn't even supposed to do. I was supposed to do incline, and I could feel my stitches starting to pull, and I was using straps over hand grip, which I never do. It just basically screwed my set the tone for the whole week, and it's completely screwed now. But tomorrow we'll be back at it. We'll try to make the best of it. The wife's coming back Saturday, so that we'll be able to get in our groove. But guys, just pray that I have a better week next week, which you guys will probably see this next week. But I really appreciate you guys watching, and pretty soon there will be a video out for the giveaway, so make sure you're subscribed so that you can watch that video for specific instructions on what to do to make sure that you're entered. Like always, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome back, guys. So, another day. We are going to the gym to do, supposed to do deadlift, pin press, and some hack squat and farmer's walk, but depending on how my chest feels, or not my chest, my bicep, more than likely won't be doing pin press. And I messed my work up yesterday, as you already know, so deadlift more than likely not either, so it might be a short day. But what I was gonna talk to you about was an update with the truck. So as everyone knows, tax season is upon us, and with tax season comes new truck mods. So if anyone has any experience with Texas Speed or Brian Tooley Racing, definitely feel free to chime in. I'm looking at the stage 3 or stage 4 cam kit with the DoD Delete kit from Texas Speed, or possibly like a custom grind cam from Brian Tooley Racing with the DoD Delete kit as well. And I'm also gonna have to eventually, sooner than later, find a upgraded drive shaft and a torque converter, of course, and possibly rear gears. But that may or may not be. I'm definitely doing the cam and the DoD Delete kit ASAP, but I want to know your guys' opinion. If you all have any knowledge in this area, definitely let me know. But other than that, we're going to be doing some car shows here pretty soon, some cars and coffee, and the giveaways coming up, as well as the car cleaning tutorial. That's still, I haven't forgotten. Just waiting on the wife to get back in town. So just wanted to give you all an update on what's to come in the near future, and I will see you when we get to the gym. Well, guys, another day at the gym, another bullcrap experience. So I was supposed to do deadlift today, I was supposed to do pin press today, supposed to do hack squat and farmer's walk. Well, because I did deadlift yesterday not knowing, I could only do hack squat and farmer's walk, 2 exercises. And then I threw in some shrugs, and I did a little bit of, try to do some biceps to see if I could get some blood circulating to that soreness I'm experiencing. And I did some triceps, and I called it a day, so I didn't record anything. Next week, I talked to my coach. Next week, I'm not doing any like chest or pulling, anything that's gonna aggravate it. I'm not doing it. I'm gonna heal, gonna cut my losses, not risk injuring it. You know, I wouldn't call it an injury, it's a minor annoyance right now, but I'm letting it heal properly. I'm gonna go slow, and hopefully this won't stop my goal of, 400 plus on bench anytime soon. Good thing is, I PR'd on hack squat, which was great, considering I just squatted a PR on regular squat yesterday. Oh, and I forgot, also, I don't know if you can see, it'll focus. There, I kind of tore my stitches open a little bit, but so I did what I could, called it a day. Very, very annoyed. It's kind of depressing when it's all you look forward to, and you can't do what you know your body's capable of, but we'll work through it and get on the gain train some more after I heal. So if you guys have any questions, about what I'm doing, what my weight is, what my goals are. You know, feel free to leave them in the questions in the comments. I would gladly do a video on that. But I guess I will hopefully see you guys tomorrow, depending on if we, you know, are doing anything eventful in the gym tomorrow. But regardless, I'll still give you an update. And like always, thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.